In this video, I'm going to show you my Google 111 trade. And if you guys want to understand the 111 trade strategy, click the link down below, which has my guide on the 111 strategy. So this is a screenshot that I took on Wednesday just to show you guys the trade. So I've done some Tesla trades, but the one I want to focus on is this Google trade, which is the 111 trade. And the 111 trade is a three-legged strategy that has a really high win rate. Now, I sold this option for $109, as you can see there on the screen. So I got filled at $109, one contract at $1.09 times by 100 shares, $109. Now, the reason why I did this trade, it was just before Google earnings that came out on Wednesday after the bell, and today is currently Friday. So as with most earnings trades, what we want to see is high volatility and volatility to crush when post the earnings announcement. And this was a bullish 111 trade, so I also wanted Google to go up. So the good news is we got both things. We got a bullish move for Google. It wasn't even that big of a bullish move. And also we got the IV crush. So what I'm going to do now is move across into my IBKR platform so you can see where this position is live, and we will now close out the trade so you can see how it goes. So we're live now in my account, and now you can see the position at the moment that the market value is $45 and my cost base is 106 because it was 109, fees and all those kind of good things as well. We netted out at 106, and now I can close this option for $46. So what's that? The inverse on that is it's on the screen. So it's $59 or $60 worth, which again, against the 109 is about 56% return in 2 days. Now, again, you can scale this by doing number of contracts, all these things. But again, I like to keep it simple, one contract, and try to do a lot of these trades often to build up the account and build up the portfolio. So in this example, like most of my trades, really, like we get the move that we need to. It doesn't even need to go up. It can be flat or even slightly down. But it's the IV crush that comes in. And this 111 strategy is really powerful around earnings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this position. So now you can see now we have got filled at 52 cents. So we did 106 plus the fees. So it's probably going to be about $50 odd of the $109. So again, a good 50% return in 2 days. So if you guys are interested in the 111 strategy, click the first link down below. You also get my free earnings explosions guide on how to use the 111 strategy during earnings. So I'm putting a lot more earnings trades on this channel, so watch out for those. But check it out, it's pinned comment down below, and I shall see you guys in the next video.